Hey guys, welcome back. In the last session, we have discussed about the creating an account for a customer. So in this session, we will be getting the account details by passing the customer ID, or we will be getting the we'll be getting the account details by giving the account number. Okay, so we can go with the account number. So let's create a method actually to retrieve the account details by passing the account number. Okay, so as of now, this method is returning void. So later I'll change this one. Retrieve account by retrieve account by account number. Retrieve account by account number. So account number is a long actually. So I'll be giving the account number. Okay. So inside this account number, so this is a get mapping. This is a get mapping, and the request URI would be something like this: slash accounts slash account number. Account number. So this account number is the path param. So if you want to read the path param, I'll be using a annotation called path variable. Okay. So path variable, that's fine. So now here we'll be writing a logger. So log.info. I'll write a logger over here, retrieving the account by retrieving the account by account number. So we'll be retrieving the account details by account number. Okay. So now next what we are doing is we will be creating a method in the service layer. Let's go to the account services. We're creating a method in the account services class. Okay. So here I'll be creating a method. Public. Let's return the account details as a return type. And here I'll say fetch account by account ID, account number. Okay, you'll be passing the account number and I'll be getting the account details. Fine. So now here what I'll do is I'll be adding a logger. Okay, I'll say inside fetch account method of account service. Now here what I'll do is I'll be writing a logger, one more logger, fetching the account details with the account number. Okay. So once we have written the logger, the next thing is that we will be using the account service repository and we'll be getting the account details. Find by account number. Find by account number. So this is the method we will be using it, and we will be passing the account number to this one. Okay, and this will be returning, the account. This will be returning the account details back. Okay, so once we retrieve the account details, we'll be passing the account details back, the controller. Okay, so here you can see find by account number is a undefined method in the account service repository. Actually, let's go and create a method. Okay. Okay. So we have created a method actually. So if you want to know what exactly I'm doing regarding this, see, these are the finder methods. See, if you want to learn more on the finder methods, you can visit my, Spring Boot channel so that you can learn more on it. Okay. So I'll be giving this as a public instead of giving it as a private. Public can be accessible by anyone inside the, a pack inside the project actually. So now we have the account service repository. In the account service repository, we have added the find by account. So now what it will do is it will be finding the account number by taking the account number by passing the account number. So internally, what it will do, the finder method will be converted to the SQL query. So it will retrieve the account number. Select star from account where account number equals to, he'll be passing the account details. I'll show that query as well when I'm running it. Okay, so this is what we have done. So let's go and test this scenario. So let's recap it what we have done. So in the accounts service controller, we have added a simple method which will be getting the account details by passing the account number. Okay, so here, when you come back to the account service, we haven't implemented the complete method, right? So we are like making a call to the account services. We will be calling the fetch account by passing the account number. So we pass the account number. This method will be returning the account details actually. So account actually. Now, now what we will be doing, if account is null, we'll be throwing an exception. We'll be throwing an exception. Okay. If account is null, we'll be throwing an exception. If the account is not null, what we will be doing is we will be returning the account details with the status actually. So I'll say return response entity dot okay, and I'll be passing the account details over here. Pass the account details, and this will be returning the account response entity of account actually. If something went wrong actually, so what we'll do is we'll be throwing an exception. We'll throw an exception. So account not found. This is an exception we'll be throwing in. Let's cut it. Let's format the code. Now we have completed this controller method as well. So it is a get method. So which will be taking the account number as a parameter, and it will be querying to the database. Okay, and we will be getting the account details. Okay, and we are like passing we are giving back the account details to the postman. Okay, so now let's go here to the postman. Let's run this one. Let's come here. Let's copy this one. Let's paste here slash. So yesterday we have added some account details actually. You can see. We have added these account details. Okay. These are the account numbers we have added. Account number for customer ID 1, this is the account number. For customer ID 2, this is the account number. So likewise for 4 customers, we have added the different account numbers. Now what I'll do is I'll be copying this account details. I'll be copying this account number, and I'll be passing as a parameter. So now when I send the request, I'll be getting the account details. See here. So we are getting the account details. Okay. So I hope this is fine. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. I'll happy to help you. If you have any sort of doubt in any playlist, let me know in a comment section. I'll happy to help you. Please do subscribe to my videos, and please share with your friends as well. Thank you for watching.